So, hello, beautiful people, and thank you, Aiko, to give me this opportunity to share something that I had in mind to present, but I didn't have enough time. So, I will start a little bit with my story. That since I turned vegan, I receive a lot of critics from meat eaters and others, and well, I always try to use them in such a way that I can learn something, so I can go deeper and I can inform myself, and I can improve the person that I am, the person that I want to be. Until I got to the point that people telling me, okay, but plants is feeling, plants suffers, and well, I look around and I was using all the justification of veganism to eat plants, but inside me I was not still convinced about it. So after I arrived to the point where I was traveling, and I was not very into social media, so then I got the courage and I asked to a very big group of vegans what they thought about it and what they answered to that. And I got actually a lot of answers. Some of them, they were like very funny, some of them they were a bit numb. But one of them, she was a biologist. She sent me a book which was called What Plants Knows, which was very interesting. And then this beautiful life gave me the opportunity to meet one of my actual best friend, Nicholas, who it was in a vegan picnic, and then he was fruitarian, and he introduced me to fruitarianism. And then 2 years and a half ago, we went to a fruitarian gathering in Italy, because we are both Italian. And then this is why I would like to share some thoughts with you. So from that point, everything got clarified. And we found out that apparently plants are widely investigated in literature, and there are several experiments, like the Boxer experiment, which worked for the CIA, and they show like two plants in a different room, and the reaction of the aggressivity of people, or people that just have love, they tend to emit some electrical signals that shows their feelings. They show to react to other stimulus as music, not only of the reaction with humans. And then on the forest, researchers found the importance of fungus that connects under the earth all the plants and allows exchange of minerals, nutrients, water, but also information. So when they start cutting some trees in some areas, also trees that are on the opposite part of the forest, they feel it. So then it turned out that among all the fruit is the only one that can be considered a non-living nutritional package. And this makes sense to me, since the fruits is the enlargement of the ovary of the plant and contains the seed that actually an animal, so the plants produce for an animal that then can be nourished, and then they disseminate the seed, not in the range of the plant, because it won't grow under the tree for the roots and for not enough light. But then the question arises, can humans survive with fruits? And then we went deeper on that, where we found out, we made a little bit of research, and we found that our origin came, so you can find all the research from Alan Walker, the British paleoanthropologist, that shows that we came from Kenya 6 to 7 millions of years ago. And then he showed with the experiments on the teeth, which analyzed the scratches on the teeth, and that we were fruit eaters. In 1808, Georges Cuvier, a French scientist, founded the new disciplines of comparative anatomy, and actually concluded that human species is frugivore. And then later on, Armando De Ria, a researcher and a professor in Italy, he actually founded the discipline of comparative physiology, and compared the different activity of enzymes in different animals. So this was basically all the reason that brought us to try to promote a fruit-based diet that is actually balancing the slight acidity of sweet fruits with also what people, they don't know they are fruits, but they are considered as fat fruits or veggie fruits, as fat fruits like avocado and olives, or veggie fruit as tomatoes, cucumbers, pumpkins, eggplant. So there are several options that, probably not all of you knew, but when some food that we call vegetables, but there's seed inside, most of the time is biologically is a fruit. So then we try to do that. And if someone from you is interested, she can just contact me. I just started opening a Facebook page to share some recipes and the organization of the workshop that me and my friend Nicolas, we are organizing already in Brussels. And then I'm going to engage on a blog where I can share even more information. And then just, I can take your email and then I can add you to the Facebook group or something else. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So next we have a short announcement from Hugo about the carbon footprint